Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Like I promised, I said I'm going to teach you how to solve the dosage of any vitamin, or this might be applied to any other um, vaccine you get to treat your animal. But there is one thing about it: please adhere to all the warnings I give, so before solving anything when it comes to all this dosage of a thing, you understand? So if the dosage, if the things they give you, if it doesn't go with my arithmetic, please try to solve it the way you get. But I just want to tell you the simple secret: almost all of this dosage I solved in this way, because that is how they are given. But if they are not given in this way, in the way I solve mine here, please solve it in a better way. So after you solve it and you get your accurate grams that you're supposed to put inside your tank, so that is when you will now weigh it. You find all this digital weight, this small weight. So that is when you will now weigh. Then after you weigh, then you will now mix it and give it to your chicken. But I solved this arithmetic at the end of my explanation here, so you can watch the video to the end. So liters of water. So yours may be 50 liter, yours may be 60 liter, yours may be 70, 80, 90, 100, or perhaps 1000. So what you just do is, when you solve the dosage to the place of the volume 2 of your water, so the volume 2, that is VL2 of your water, what you do is you apply the number of your water, the liters of your water, of water tank. So you apply it there. Mine is 500, so if yours is 50, you will now put 50 in place of that 100. If yours is 60, you will now put 60 in place of that 500. So if yours is 80, you put 80 in place of that 500. And if yours is 200 or 300, you can see it goes straight away. So if yours is 300, then you apply a single then you calculate. So you apply it into it. So I've already solved the one of 200, the one of 300, the one of 400. So if yours goes into, if yours is just between 200 to 300, so you don't need to calculate, you just need to use it to apply it straight, because they tell you if it goes into 300 liter, it's not much. If it goes into 400, it's not much. If it goes into 200, it's not much. But if it goes into 500 or 600, 500 above, that means it is very small to enter inside. So the accurate way to get it is to apply this simple arithmetic. So once you apply it, if you are need to use 2, you use 2. If you are need to use 3, you use 3. If you are need to use 1.5, you use 1.5. So according to the volume of your farm tank, water tank. So that is how to go about it. It's just as simple. So you can see how I solve mine, so you can apply it to all the ones you'll be solving in the farm, to all your tank or any other this thing. So you can, even if it is antibiotics or any other vaccine, be it vitamin, if the dosage goes the same way with the way I solve this, so you can apply this arithmetic to it and solve it. And you don't just measure any vaccines you get anyhow, any way you like. So it is not good. So kindly adhere to all these rules and apply this arithmetic, and it will be very simple for you to solve any dosage that is given in any of the vaccine you get from the medical store, or from the is it a Greek store or whatever store it is. So you can get it, you can solve it and apply it. It's just so simple. It's simple. It's not something bad. So keep on watching our video and keep on subscribing. We love that. Thank you so much. My name is Simeon.